Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here guys, we have this nice radical math problem. This is actually a SAT math question and we are to find the value of x. So the first thing guys you want to do right now is to simply cross multiply. So we have this to be the square root of 4x plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 2 multiply x minus 1. Alright, so we have this to be the square root of 4x plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 multiply x is 2x minus 2 multiply 1 is what? 2. Alright, so the next thing you want to simply isolate the square root of what? 4x plus 2. So isolating this is equals to 2x minus 2 minus 1. So we have the square root of 4x plus 2 is equals to 2x minus 2 minus 1 is going to give us what? Minus 3. So the next thing we want to do is to simply square both sides. So we have the square root of what? 4x plus 2 all square is equal to 2x minus 3 all square. But we know that if we have a minus b all square, this is equals to what? A square minus 2ab plus what? B square. Alright? Whereby we have that a is equals to what? 2x and b is equals to what? 3. So from here up to this point, this is going to cancel out this. So we have 4x plus 2 is equal to, so applying this property to the right hand side of this equation, we have this to be 2x all square minus 2 multiply 2x multiply 3 plus what? 3 square. So we have 4x plus 2 is equals to 2x square is 4x square minus 2 multiply 2x multiply 3. This is going to give us 12x plus 3 square, which is what? 9. So the next thing we want to do is to simply rearrange and set the equation to 0. So we have 4x square minus 12x plus 9 minus 4x minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Collecting like terms, we have 4x square minus 12x minus 4x is going to give us minus 16x plus 9 minus 2 is going to give us plus 7, and this is equals to what? 0. So we want to simply factorize. So if we take the first and the last and multiply them, 4x squared multiply 7, this is going to give us 28x squared. So you want to think of a number that when you multiply those two numbers, it's going to give us 28x squared, and when you add or subtract that number, it's going to give us minus 16x. And we have those two numbers that comes to mind is minus 2x and what? Minus 14x. Now this implies that minus 2x times minus 14x is going to give us 28x squared, and we have minus 2x minus 14x is going to give us what? Minus 16 what? X. Alright, so we have this to be 4x squared minus 2x minus 14x plus 7, and this is equals to what? 0. So we are going to factor out this 2. If you factor out this 2, we have 2x to be common, and if you factor it out, we have 2x minus 1 to be left minus. So from here up to this point, we have 7 to be common, and if you factor that out, we have 2x minus 1, and this is equals to what? 0. So from here we have this and this is common, so we have 2x minus 1 multiply 2x minus 7, and this is equals to what? 0. Alright, so from this point we have that 2x minus 1 is equals to 0 and 2x minus 7 is equals to 0. So we have 2x is equals to 0 plus 1, 2x is equals to 1. So divide both sides by 2 to isolate x. This we cancel out this, so we have that x is equals to 1 over 2, and this becomes the first value of what? X. So at this point we have 2x is equals to 0 plus 7, and we have that 2x is equals to 0 plus 7 is what? 7. Divide both sides by 2. This we cancel out this, so we have that x is equals to what? 7 over 2, and this becomes the second value of x. Alright, so with this guys, so right here I've been able to find the value of x. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.